30 common English idioms you should know. Hey everyone, today we're learning 30 popular English idioms that native speakers use all the time, with simple meanings and examples. Let's get started. 1. Break the ice, meaning, make people feel comfortable in a new situation. Example, I told a joke to break the ice at the party. 2. A blessing in disguise, meaning, something that looks bad but turns out to be good. Example, losing my job was a blessing in disguise. I found a better one. 3. Once in a blue moon, meaning, something that happens very rarely. Example, I go to the cinema once in a blue moon. 4. The ball is in your court, meaning, it's your turn to take action or decide. Example, I've done everything, now the ball is in your court. 5. Every cloud has a silver lining, meaning, there's something good in every bad situation. Example, even though I failed, I learned a lot. Every cloud has a silver lining. 6. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning, reveal a secret by mistake. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise. 7. Hit the nail on the head, meaning, say exactly what's correct or true. Example, you hit the nail on the head, that's the real problem. 8. Under the weather, meaning, feeling slightly sick or weak. Example, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. 9. Bite the bullet, meaning, face something hard or unpleasant bravely. Example, I had to bite the bullet and tell the truth. 10. When pigs fly, meaning, something that will never happen. Example, he'll stop being lazy when pigs fly. 11. A piece of cake, meaning, something very easy to do. Example, that exam was a piece of cake. 12. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning, very expensive. Example, that designer bag costs an arm and a leg. 13. Cry over spilled milk, meaning, be upset about something that can't be changed. Example, it's okay, don't cry over spilled milk. 14. Hit the books, meaning, start studying seriously. Example, I need to hit the books before my test. 15. Break a leg, meaning, good luck, especially before performing. Example, you'll do great in your show, break a leg. 16. A hot potato, meaning, a difficult or controversial issue. Example, politics is always a hot potato topic. 17. Kill two birds with one stone, meaning, do two things at the same time. Example, I exercised and listened to English. Killed two birds with one stone. 18. Under your nose, meaning, something obvious but unnoticed. Example, the keys were right under your nose. 19. On cloud 9, meaning, extremely happy. Example, she was on cloud 9 after hearing the good news. 20. In hot water, meaning, in trouble. Example, he was in hot water for missing the meeting. 21. The early bird catches the worm, meaning, people who act early have advantages. Example, wake up early, the early bird catches the worm. 22. Burn the midnight oil, meaning, stay up late working or studying. Example, I burned the midnight oil finishing my project. 23. It's not rocket science, meaning, it's not that hard to understand. Example, come on, it's not rocket science, just follow the steps. 24. Break the bank, meaning, spend too much money. Example, buying that phone will break the bank. 25. On the same page, meaning, agree or understand each other. Example, let's make sure we're on the same page before we start. 26. Add fuel to the fire, meaning, make a bad situation worse. Example, his rude comment just added fuel to the fire. 27. The tip of the iceberg, meaning, only a small part of a bigger problem. Example, these mistakes are just the tip of the iceberg. 28. Barking up the wrong tree, meaning, blaming or accusing the wrong person. Example, if you think I did it, you're barking up the wrong tree. 29. Actions speak louder than words. Meaning, what you do is more important than what you say. Example, he talks a lot, but actions speak louder than words. 30. Rome wasn't built in a day. Meaning, important things take time to complete. Example, don't rush, Rome wasn't built in a day. Now you know 30 powerful idioms that native speakers use all the time. Which one is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.